So you understand just about everything in your target language, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. Sound familiar? You're not alone. This is one of the biggest struggles language learners face. For me, for a long time, it was Spanish. I could listen to podcasts, watch movies, even read books. But when it came time to have a real conversation, nothing would come out. So why does this happen? And more importantly, if you have the same problem, how can you fix it? The secret is understanding the difference between passive and active language skills and how to bridge the gap. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to finally start speaking with confidence. Let's break it down. When you listen to a language, your brain is passively absorbing words, structures, and sounds. That's a receptive skill. Your brain recognizes patterns but doesn't need to produce anything. Speaking, on the other hand, is an active skill. It requires instant recall, correct pronunciation, and putting sentences together in real time, all without pausing to think. That's why you can understand a language passively, but freeze when it's your turn to talk. Your brain hasn't practiced pulling out the words, it's just been storing them. Now, there are 3 practical methods you can use to fix this problem. The first, start speaking before you feel like you're ready. The biggest mistake you can make here is to wait until you feel ready to speak. You will never feel ready. Start with short, simple sentences, even if they're broken. The key is output over perfection. The more you speak, the faster your brain adapts, and the better you will start to tolerate discomfort. Second, use the talking parrot or shadowing method. Mimic native speakers just like a parrot. Listen to a short clip, pause, and repeat it aloud exactly how it was said. This rewires your brain to think in the language rather than translating in your head. We have a full video dedicated to this technique on our channel, so if you want to learn more, be sure to cue that one up to watch it next. And hey, if you're finding these tips useful so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and you won't miss out on more strategies to help you finally start speaking confidently. Did you do it? Thank you. Now, the third and last method I'd like you to use is the 30-second story trick. To put it into practice, take 30 seconds of your day, every single day, very important, to describe something around you in your target language, no matter how simple or boring the story is. It sounds basic, but it forces your brain to retrieve words that it has stored passively. Remember, we want to turn our passive knowledge into an active ability. So if you're trapped in the understanding but not speaking phase, start practicing output daily, even in small ways. And remember, progress beats perfection. Drop a comment below and let me know what your biggest struggle is. Let's tackle this together.
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.